Hello everyone and welcome to day 8 of Craftmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Christmas crackers. Right, I've never actually made my own crackers before, so this is going to be a learning experience. But you can get these little kits on Amazon and apparently you can make your own crackers. I've opened it to have a quick look inside just to see what it's like, but I haven't actually made one yet. So we'll see how this goes. You've got a list of instructions here. We've got some trivia and some jokes. Some Christmas hats. Hey, they're decent Christmas hats actually, they're not too bad. We've got the thingies, the poppy things, whatever they're called. And then the outer shell of the cracker and some ribbon. So it looks like it's going to be pretty easy. You don't get the presents included, so you can put your own in, which you'll want to put your own in anyway if you're making your own crackers. Let's have a look at these jokes. Did you hear about the man who bought a paper shop? It blew away. Shit joke. What has 4 legs, but can't walk? A table. Shite, so bad. What goes, ha 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 clonk? A man laughing his head off. It's so bad. I know the jokes in crackers have always been pretty shit, but these seem like really shit. Like, what do you call a 3-legged donkey? A wonky. Like, ugh. Over it! Over it! Right, let's begin. So, I'll lay this down first. So you need your own sellotape, and you need to stick this down, like so. I'll do that now. It's one thing I always find hard when you're wrapping Christmas presents or doing anything with sellotape is finding the end. It's an absolute nightmare. Especially if you don't have any nails. Right, there we go. Well, this is annoying because it says it's got number 1 and then I can't find number 2 anywhere. It goes straight to number 3, but I assume number 2 is to put the stuff that you want in the cracker inside. So you want to put like a joke and a trivia out. Because crackers always have really shit presents in, you can put whatever you want in. So I'm going to put some coconut rum in, because that's what I want in. I want to be drunk at Christmas. And then you want a roll. Oh, hang on. Apparently we roll this around. It says it might be easier to roll it around something cylindrical. I can't do that while I've got that in, so it's just going to have to be whoa, like that. This is harder than it looks. It's not particularly easy. It's quite fiddly. I've just thought as well, you can take all that crap out and put it in after you've got the thing done. It makes it so much easier. There. Okay. Right. So it looks like that. And then put this stuff back inside. And then push gently. So you push it like that, and then you push it like... What the hell? That's not right. It says push. What's with all these little things here? What's the point of these? Why have mine done that for? The picture doesn't look like that. Are they supposed to go in? Right, these are supposed to go in, they're not supposed to poke out. Pull these off if they go weird. I don't know why they do that for. Right. Yeah. Make sure they go in. Okay, everything's inside. Yeah, right. That's looking more like a cracker. And then cut some of this off. And wrap it around. Right, that looks like a cracker. It just doesn't look like a very good cracker. I don't know whether that's my ability to... because this is my ability to make a cracker, or whether it's because of this pack, but that's what I've kind of made, and let's see if it works anyway. It works, but they just don't particularly make the most appealing crackers. And again, I'm not sure whether it's down to my ability to make a cracker or whether it's down to this kit, but it worked. I'm gonna take that off. It worked. They just weren't particularly pretty. I think I've just figured out why. Made in Britain. That's probably why it's so shit. Never mind. But they work, they're fine. They just don't look particularly great. You could probably buy some that look a lot nicer. But you could decorate these, you could like paint them and add some extra ribbons on and stuff to make them look a little bit better. And they do work, the little pull works and stuff like that. And the hats they've come with, they're actually decent quality hats. The jokes are really shit, so that's perfect. And yeah, that's how you make a cracker, I guess. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. I will pop a link down below on where you can get this kind of cracker kit. But I'm assuming you'll probably be able to get a lot of cracker kit... Cracker kit. Why can't I talk? Cracker kits. Oh, that was hard. In your local craft shops and stuff like that, especially close to Christmas. So I think you might be able to get a better one. I don't rate this, I don't think it's particularly great, but it does the job and you do get to fill it with what you want, so that's really nice. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There's another 17 episodes of Craftmas to come, so you don't want to miss any of them, and I'll see you tomorrow for another episode. Bye!